How to fix AirDrop not working to your Mac computer. So if you're trying to AirDrop something from your iPhone or your iPad to your Mac computer and it's not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing we need to do is just come over to your Mac computer. In the top right hand side, click on the AirDrop icon and make sure your AirDrop is turned on and enabled like this. And also make sure this is set to everyone. So I'm going to click on everyone. And then once you've done that, you can check to see if that's now working. If you're still having an issue, you'll need to click on Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on like this, and then go and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and click on System Settings. Over in the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled. Once you've done this, you can head over to your iPhone or to your iPad and you'll need to go and load up the settings. You can then head over to your Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on and enabled. You can then come back over to Bluetooth and click on this and also make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. Once you've done this, you should be able to go and select the file you want to AirDrop, click on the share icon in the bottom left hand side and select AirDrop, and you should now be able to see your Mac computer from the list. So I'm just going to click on my MacBook like so. You'll then receive a notification on your Mac computer that you'll need to go and accept, and we're just going to click on the drop down arrow and select Save to Downloads. Once it's been sent, you can open up the Finder and click on Downloads from the left hand side, and you should now be able to see the file that we just sent to our Mac computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.